Hey guys, this is going to be my new bike check from the parts I got for Christmas and like a couple days after Christmas. I guess you can call it Christmas. Well, I got the Fit repeater grips. Really nice, sticky, stick really well to them. Premium whiskey bars in green. Fly stem. Kink headset. Got the premium death trap frame. Premium FYB forks. The stolen revolver front wheel. Duo stunner front tire. Alright, here we go in the middle. Got some Odyssey twisted PC pedals with the premium 1948 cranks. And got some titanium spindle bolts with a mechanic half-link chain and a Shadow Ravager sprocket and a kink bottom bracket. Next is the seat post. I have the stolen Thermalite with the Eastern letters seat. Going on to the back, I got a nitrous back wheel with Eastern pop and lock hub guard in red. I don't know why it's red, but I got it in red. And animal axle nuts with a Kenda tire that is pretty nice. So, pretty much my bike is, I think, 21 pounds. I don't know, it's pretty light. Front end's really light. But, check out Premium. They have some nice parts. Don't get Eastern because they suck. And, yeah. This is my bike. Subscribe, like, dislike. I'd rather you not do that. But whatever. See ya.